Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to manage your privacy settings on WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So from your WhatsApp home menu, tap on this three dot icon to the right hand corner and tap on settings, tap on account and tap on privacy. And now you can tap on last seen to set who can see your last seen. You can select everyone, my contacts, and you can select nobody. Then tap on done and then tap on profile photo and select who can see your profile photo, and tap on about, select who can see your about, then tap on done. Also you can change the privacy for status. Select who can see your status updates. So that's how we can manage privacy settings on WhatsApp. If this video helped, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.